consistent wind, perfect rolling swell, wing packed, endless glide. This is the feeling we all chase. This is Parawing downwinding. I know how hard this journey can be, so in this video I'm breaking it all down from start to finish, one continuous run. Getting up on foil, locking in, packing away, reading bumps, redeploying, and riding back upwind, with a few jibes and foot swaps thrown in for good measure. If this looks like the feeling you're chasing, well, stick around, I'll show you how to get there faster. So I start off on a broad reach, about 100 degrees off the wind. I wait until there's enough power and then I time the gust with the downslope of the bump. When you feel the power, 2 quick pumps, but most of the work is happening under my feet. Pressure on that back leg and then pushing and going weightless. As I go weightless, I'm then pulling on the wing to help me move forward. It's subtle and timing is key. Whoa, nearly lost it there. Get the board back under my feet, wing over my head for stability, regain composure, and hook back in. Okay, quick foot swap to get on my preferred stance for the pack away. I've done a full tutorial for that and the link is up here. Packing the wing on foil is like juggling whilst running downhill. One wrong move and it's just chaos. But the trick, you don't start packing when you want to, you start when the ocean gives you permission. The key is to find a bump that will give you time. You're looking for the golden locks bump. Too small and you'll be working hard to stay on it. Too big and you'll be maxed out of control. You're looking for a medium sized bump, one that you can stay with for a good 5 to 10 seconds to get that wing away. Ideally, you need to match the speed of the wind so that the Parawing has no pressure and collapses easily. Now this is where the magic happens, and when the wing is packed away, well, this is the best part of Parawinging. In downwinding, the problem I see most people have is trying to up and over bumps, literally trying to overtake them. Your world is behind you, and that's where the energy is. So spend your time turning in that direction. You'll see I'm never going dead downwind. I'm always carving slightly across, keeping the foil moving, and I'm matching the slope of the bumps with my speed. I always want the foil to be going downhill. And here's a nice long runner. I can relax now. I'm staying along that face, not straight down it, so I don't outrun the energy. It's all about timing and subtle angle changes. Redeploying the wing. All right, this is the move that most people struggle with. It's going from free flight to back to powered flight. The mistake, throwing the wing out in front of you or rushing it. Everyone's eager to get the power on, maybe panicking a little bit, but the trick is to stay calm. I've got a nice long bump here, enough time to breathe. Reach for the wing, check that leading edge, orientate the bar, deploy it next to your body, check that leading edge one more time, and then gently start heading back up into the wind. Gybes top tip, treat redeploying as a handshake. It's not a grab. Ease into it and the power will meet you halfway. My board is hitting these big swells. I need to get higher on the mast and find a rhythm. Notice how my wing is as far forward as possible and constantly trimming it for efficiency. Okay, so coming back upwind always exposes bad habits. Most riders fight it with the wind flapping, sheeting out, heaps of drag and inefficient. The key is to have the wing do the work and lean into it. Watch my mate beside me here. You'll see that the exact thing is happening here. His canopy compared to mine. Well, my setup is tight because I'm in the harness and I'm locked in. I'm letting it do the heavy work. I'm leaning into it, letting my upper body cant into the wind whilst my back foot holds that angle. And upper body, head and shoulders twisted into the wind. This will help you with the upwind angles. Gybes top tip, upwind isn't about sheeting out in the gusts, it's about better leverage. Use your body weight as part of the equipment. Now the swell is flattening in this sheltered part, it's time to reset. Most people overthink this and make it a big event. I unhook, roll, stall the wing, small wobble, regain that balance, hook back in, nothing fancy, just flow. Quick foot swap to get on the correct stance for maximizing upwind performance and locking back in. Through the white water, I unhook again. It's easier to manage the gusts and to stay more vertical on foil in that instability. Then straight back into the rhythm again. And that's the run, start to finish. Perfect wind, perfect bumps, a 3-meter wing, the code 770R, everything just clicked. This is why I Parawing. It's not about chasing speed, it's about moments like that where every element lines up and you're just in it. If there's any of the sections you want me to do a deep dive into, well, let me know in the comments below. And a massive thanks to Mitch for capturing it all. Until next time, I'll see you on the water again soon.